Hey everybody, I'm Jack. I'm an engineer here at the Tulip Experience Center, and today I'm going to be taking you through an assembly process of both a pneumatic cylinder and utilizing a Zerokey device to make one of their products. Zerokey is one of our really close partners that has real-time location tracking technology with millimeter-specific 3D tracking. First, we can see this is the operator view, which is what an operator sees when they're using a Tulip app. And we have real language tracking with the badges. So you can scan a badge and it'll automatically, using AI, change the language of the app that's associated with that user. So something else that's important to note is the concept of composability, which means that there's going to be a lot of different apps that are used in the process of this assembly, and we're going to be able to flow between them seamlessly. So this allows engineers to pick and choose different parts that they want to reuse and add that to a different process. So first, we're going to take a Festa work order from our work order table, and we're pulling that using an ERP, in this case SAP. So a connector function with an ERP that allows you to select a work order. So we're going to go and pick our components using our partner banner, these pick-to-lights on the inventory rack of where the items we need to pick are. And now, as I scan them, that is going to update that into our Tulip table to, one, track the location of the items, and also associate the genealogy of the components with that original work order. So now I'm going to begin my assembly and put my bin in its correct location. That is going to start the AI monitoring of the operator and create even more of a granular monitoring experience for a manager. So now that's going to tell us whether an operator is assembling a work order or fastening or idle, or if there's no user there at all. So here we have an example of digital work instructions that Tulip uses. So you can use a variety of multimedia. In this case, we're using videos. And that is going to allow any type of operator to walk up to a station without any prior training and know how to assemble the given product. Moving on to our next step, we have a Culver torque driver connected. So this is connected through a driver on our edge device, and it allows you to get all sorts of data when tightening bolts and screws on our pneumatic cylinder. Not only can Tulip take you through digital work instructions and read different data from our integrated devices, but it can also use different integrations like AI inspection. So now we have our completed pneumatic cylinder and a bin with a Zerokey device inside. We're going to place our pneumatic cylinder in there and put it under the camera. That is automatically going to link the Zerokey device's serial number with the work order and the given bin that it's in. Before moving on to the next step, we can capture this image, which is going to send it through Lenny AI. Lenny AI is going to ensure that the correct pneumatic cylinder is placed into the bin and give us a positive result. So now we can view our shop floor and see one of our really interesting Zerokey integrations. Using the Zerokey device in the bin, we can track the pneumatic cylinder around the shop floor. So it sees when I take it to the inspection area. And also, if I leave the work area, it's going to give me and my managers an alert. Now that we've completed the pneumatic cylinder, checked with Lenny AI that it's a good result, I can complete the unit, and that'll take me back to my execution screen. The next thing we have in our assembly is assembling this Zerokey device. Zerokey is also allowing bolt tracking at this station, ensuring that the operator is fastening the right bolt at the right time. So if we go to an incorrect bolt, it's going to show an incorrect bolt sequence warning on our screen. But if I go to the correct one, there's going to be no warning, and I'm going to be able to tighten my bolt. If I turn on something called strict enforcement, this prevents me from even using the torque driver when I'm on the wrong bolt. But when I go to the correct one, I'm able to tighten it, and Tulip is going to read that data. That concludes our demo where we went over the assembly process of the pneumatic cylinder and one of our Zerokey devices. We saw things like digital work instructions, AI monitoring and inspection, as well as torque driver and other machine integration. If you want to see us in person or schedule a demo, please visit tulip.co. Thank you.